Once upon a time, deep beneath the surface of the Earth, there was a great ball of molten metal. This ball was the Earth's core, and it was the source of much of the planet's energy. The core was incredibly hot, much hotter than any fire that could be made on the surface. The heat came from the energy of the atoms themselves, as they crashed and collided together, releasing energy in the form of heat. But the core wasn't just hot, it was also under enormous pressure. The weight of the Earth above it pressed down with incredible force, making the core even hotter and more energetic. As the core churned and roiled, it created huge magnetic fields that extended far into space. These fields protected the Earth from the harsh radiation of the sun and helped to create the beautiful auroras that could be seen in the night sky. And so, deep beneath the surface of the Earth, the core continued to burn and glow, hotter than any flame that could be made by human hands. The human body contains enough fat to make 7 bars of soap. This is because fat, or adipose tissue, makes up a significant portion of the body's mass. In fact, on average, fat makes up about 20–25% of the body weight of an adult. If you were to extract all of the fat from a person's body and convert it into soap, you could create 7 bars of soap weighing around 4 ounces each. However, it's important to note that this is just a hypothetical scenario and not something that would actually be done. Overall, this fact highlights the important role that fat plays in the human body, both as a source of energy and as a cushioning material for organs and tissues. So don't try this. The universe is believed to be 13.8 billion years old. Scientists estimate this age based on the cosmic microwave background radiation, which is the oldest light in the universe. This radiation was emitted about 380,000 years after the Big Bang, which is the theoretical event that gave birth to the universe. The Big Bang is thought to have occurred about 13.8 billion years ago and marked the beginning of the universe as we know it. By studying the properties of the cosmic microwave background radiation, scientists can determine important characteristics of the universe, such as its composition and rate of expansion. Overall, the age of the universe is a testament to the vast scale and complexity of the cosmos, as well as to the ingenuity of the scientists who have worked to understand it. The world's largest desert isn't the Sahara, but actually Antarctica. Although it's covered in ice, Antarctica is classified as a desert because it receives very little precipitation. In fact, the continent is the driest place on Earth, with some areas receiving less than 2 inches of precipitation per year. Despite its icy reputation, Antarctica is also the coldest place on Earth, with temperatures reaching as low as -128.6 degrees Fahrenheit. The combination of extreme cold and dryness makes life on the continent incredibly challenging for humans and other organisms. Despite these challenges, Antarctica is home to a surprising number of living creatures, including penguins, seals, and various types of algae and bacteria. Scientists also use the continent as a research base for studying a wide range of topics, including climate change, geology, and astrophysics. Overall, the fact that Antarctica is the world's largest desert highlights the incredible diversity and complexity of Earth's many different ecosystems. The Great Barrier Reef, located off the coast of Australia, is the largest living structure on Earth, stretching over 1,400 miles. It's composed of billions of coral polyps, which secrete a hard exoskeleton that forms the backbone of the reef. The Great Barrier Reef is home to a vast array of marine life, including over 1,500 species of fish and hundreds of other species of plants and animals. Unfortunately, the Great Barrier Reef is facing numerous threats, including climate change, pollution, and overfishing. These factors have caused significant damage to the reef, including coral bleaching, which occurs when coral expels the algae that provide it with nutrients and color. Despite these challenges, scientists and conservationists are working to protect the reef through measures like reducing greenhouse gas emissions and improving water quality. Protecting the Great Barrier Reef is crucial not only for preserving this natural wonder, but also for safeguarding the many species that call it home. The Great Barrier Reef's immense size highlights the importance of Earth's ecosystems and the need to protect them from the numerous threats they face.